I'm Rodney Grounds. I'm the Vice President of Sales at Robopac USA. Today we're in a large wholesale club store, and I wanted to talk about our Robopac line of case packers, in specific wraparound case packers. There's a lot of opportunities out there for our wraparound case packing, and today I just wanted to show you a few examples. This is a perfect example of an application that can be run on our Robopac case packing equipment. You can see here a nice tight case, a lot of graphics. This particular case is a microflute case, so it saves on corrugated consumption. Here's some other examples. Another similar example, again, high graphic content, very nice case. This one has a perforated top for easy access for the products inside the case. And yet, another nice example, again, all wraparound cases. You can see the overlapping flap here. This one also has a pull top on the top for easy access to the product. So, as you're out looking for opportunities, don't forget about wraparound case packing.